Hello guys, I came here all of this time. I think it was September. Last video was on my channel, so I had the time and I gathered some tools and now I will show you them to you. Let's start from this guy. As you can see, this piece of perfection is made by Kukko. This is a ball joint remover tool, guys. The small one, Kukko also offers us the bigger one. This is a 129 and 1 model. Here you can see the package. Let's close the box and try to show you detail, markings and other stuff. Quality made in Germany. Here you can see the Kukko requisites and 1291. This is the date it was produced, I think. Gelenkbolzen-Ausdrücker on German for 21mm, and I don't know what does this mean. If you know, tell us. Ball joint ejector or remover with lever transmission. So here you can see Kukko and the Hoffman Group, which is the reseller of this Kukko stuff. I was lucky to obtain it with very good price, guys. Here is the tool itself. It is made in Germany. It does not look any other generic Chinese stuff. I have bigger one from China and that works, but I don't like that one. I will replace that big one also with Kukko made one. Here you can see the marking, part number, the fork, how it looks. You can see the fork, how it looks, guys. It looks perfect, machined perfect. No some issues here. I also have some different German made ball joint remover, and I will show you that has some defects with the fork. Kukko logo here, and everyone knows how it works. You must tighten or unscrew this bolt and it helps to you to make the distance difference here, and it will help to you to remove ball joint or other connections from the car suspension parts. Also here we have some grease. You can see it is also made by Kukko. Here you can see the part number. I was very surprised that they gave us the grease, and you must drop it to the thread of the bolt and it will allow you to work better and with some pleasure, guys. So once again, what can I say in addition? This bolt is now a little rough. I think it needs that, but with hand it can be removed and tightened. So the piece of German engineering here. And I also have some Nexus one. This is Nexus made in Germany, and I think that German made tools have not look like this. Here you can see. Let's compare the forks, and can you see the difference how the better Kukko one is made. Nexus also offers that one, but I better go with the Kukko in this situation. I like this more much. This is also okay, but trust this. Let's trust, but the quality is not as good as with the Kukko one. So guys, I think this is very good investment. Recommend to everyone, German made tool with the high quality. If you have any questions, please ask below. Once again, I was lucky to obtain it for between 16 and 70 euros, and I think this is very good investment. Metal is very high quality here. It feels enough good in my hand, and I think that it will last me very long time. Hope you enjoy video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate and ask me below. We'll catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye.